Highway 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith with 31 Triple Dollar.
Well, Carson, it has been a week of just everything you can imagine weather-wise.
Yep.
So what's next?
Same old, same old.
Same old, same old.
Same old, same old. That's
More
it.
of that stuff.
It's July in Alabama, so it's going to be hot, humid,
Sticky.
Sticky. We've said it throughout
Wet.
the morning. It feels kind of tropical. We just don't have that nice sea breeze
That's
to
all
enjoy.
we're missing.
And that's what we're going to be dealing with today. Let's go to 31 Triple Doppler. We got a couple of downpours still out there this morning. Those showers we were tracking for you about 45 minutes ago in Jackson, DeKalb County, they are gone. But just in the last couple of minutes, we got this one little downpour that's popped up in Morgan County. This along Highway 67 out there closer to Somerville, south of Lacey Spring, although you do see some sprinkles out near the Whitesburg Bridge. And as the morning goes on, we will keep that chance for a few more downpours like this one popping up in random spots across North Alabama. Not many, but I would still just grab that umbrella just in case. Skycam Network, otherwise, it's a quiet morning for the most part, but goodness, does it feel soupy. In Huntsville at 74, Decatur is at 77, and it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 78 in the Shoals, a little bit cooler in Guntersville where it's 72 after some of that rain moved through an hour or so ago. Here's what you can expect on this Thursday. For the morning, as we mentioned, a few downpours can't be ruled out. Otherwise, it stays warm and muggy. Highest storm chances, as typical this time of year, will be this afternoon. But I will say the severe weather concern today is lower than what we've seen so far this week. Could we still have some gusty winds with those storms? Absolutely. But it's not quite as concerning as it has been so far. This evening, any storms that are still around will start to fizzle out as we lose that heat of the day. All in all, it's looking pretty quiet tonight, but it will certainly stay humid for any Thursday night plans you might have. Heading out to the pool on this Thursday afternoon, there'll still be a good bit of dry time, but I still want you to watch the skies. Our forecast high is 91. That's very typical for this time of year, but if you start to see any darker clouds or you hear any thunder while you're out by the pool, it's time to head inside. But you'll get a little bit of dry time, especially through the early afternoon. But as we get towards 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon on future radar, we'll see those storms start to pop up. Heavy rain will be the main concern today, but as we mentioned, some gusts around, let's say 30, 40 miles per hour. It's not out of the question. Storms continue through about 6 or 7 o'clock tonight. Then they start to fade away as we lose that heat of the day, and it's looking fairly quiet overnight tonight. Friday, we will do it all over again. Small chance for a downpour during the morning drive. Highest chance for showers and storms will be Friday afternoon. Otherwise, it stays hot and humid with those highs in the low 90s and those feels like temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. This weekend, unfortunately, those storm chances are going up, especially for Saturday. It's all thanks to a front that's going to be nearby North Alabama, but the problem is that front's not going to completely move through. So because it stalls out nearby, it's going to keep the storm chances pretty high, both Saturday and Sunday. Not too concerned about the severe weather threat at this point, just the typical summertime storm threats, heavy rain, gusty winds, maybe some hail as well. But over the next week, or at least through Sunday night, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain area-wide. And if you see several heavier thunderstorms day after day after day, I can't rule out a few spots seeing 3 inches of rain through this weekend. Bottom line, keep that umbrella handy. You won't need it all the time. Scattered showers and storms today and tomorrow. Better chances for those storms Saturday and Sunday. And we may dry things out just a little bit early next week, but it's going to stay hot and humid.